In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Start by opening Photos app and selecting Photos at the top on the left. Now you need to hold one of your pictures, and to select multiple right away, use this icon at the top left corner of an empty circle, I guess. Now to exclude some of your photos, click on them, and to get rid of the rest, use this bin next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. Lastly, choose OK in the pop-up and tap on Move to Bin to confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!